Happy evening, my dear brothers and sisters. Morning, afternoon, however you want to call, we can call it so. My dear, today we are going to sit ourselves here, quickly analyzing how we are going to plan our examination preparation a day before examination in the time available. Enna panna porom, right? So, very effectively this time is to be optimized. I just want to give you the background how I came to this analysis based on the past examination questions and its study. Look at May 23, November 23, November 24 and September 24 until this last examination happened. The trend shows what? Where is the priority shifting? Adallam study panni dhaan we are going to give you this inputs, how it's going to be. So quickly considering that the priority area, I can define you this way. This should be the area of priority, how you have to prepare a day before the examination. Ellame padikkanuma? Yes, see, I'm not giving you a gimmick of saying that read only this, read only that, you will pass. No, I'm not setting the question paper. But looking at the papers of past examinations, as you see, May and September, there is a paradigm shift towards how the questions are being set. And now, analyzing this in a very deeper manner, I somehow feel the following area should be prioritized. So, revise பண்ணும்போது முதல்ல என்ன பண்ணணும், RTP and statutory update revise பண்ணுங்க. அங்கேயே ஒரு 5 to 10 marks is coming inside. Next to that, please give importance to accounts and records, TDS and TCS, and place of supply. And place of supply when it comes to goods fulla cover pannunga. Service, please make sure you're covering up to 12 subsection 8 from the examination perspective. This chapters are value added chapters. I draw your attention. Look at this. Look at September 24 and May 24. Look at how much marks is coming from these two chapters. Okay, place of supply lende definite 5 marks is hitting. Adhe mari accounts and records lende 5 marks they are hitting. TDS applicability lende and TCS applicability lende they are hitting 5 marks. That means this 3 chapter which is newly inserted from May 24 examination counts for 15 marks. That's a big chunk of your 35 of descriptive area. 15 you're going to get in MCQ area, right? அப்ப இந்த மூணுல priority வருது. அதுக்கப்புறம் பாருங்க shift in overall question area. This overall question you can solve only if you have a grip on value of supply, ITC and payment of tax. இந்த மூணு chapterலையும் grip இருந்தால் மட்டும். Why? They are going to give you 4 set of line items wherein outward supply பத்தி கொடுக்க போறாங்க. In this exempt or tax they will test. Similarly, ITC purchase 4 line items கொடுக்க போறாங்க. There again they will be testing you what is going to be eligible, ineligible, blocked, அதெல்லாம் கொடுக்க போறாங்க. And finally, payment of tax. How this ITC available, eligible for input tax credit should be allowed to be adjusted against output tax liability using order of adjustment. First IGST, next CGST, and then SGST அப்படிங்கற அந்த order of adjustment. Only when you have a control on these three, you can solve the overall question. And sure, I will, if time permits, I will do a separate video on overall question. Keep doing following us for that. And then comes time of supply. This is a standalone chapter where the examination pattern, last 2 exams there was no question, direct question. So this exam I expect a direct question there. Rest of the sir in the area ella na cover panni mudichiten appadina, then you please start with e-waybill and return. Then you start with e-waybill and return, and then you come for supply. Supply la be focused. Okay, supply la be focused. Returns chapter la kuda I will tell you focus on GSTR 1 contents and focus on the late fees with respect to the returns, focus on 2A and 2B and its contents. And then when it comes to e-waybill, applicability of the e-waybill, prohibition for issuing the e-waybill, these should be the focus area, and validity of the e-waybill. These 3 areas, rather than striking on full wholesome manner, in the moon area la focus pannina, it will be good. And when it comes to supply, focus on schedule 2, schedule 3 and the latest circulars associated thereon. RCM la latest area, rent area, you can expect a question from exempt supply. Please go ahead with only the latest amendments. That will be very 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 handy for you. In this way you have to optimize and split. Okay, 50 marks direct tax, 50 mark indirect tax nu varumbodhu, when it comes to the 50 marks of indirect taxation, your planning should be you should get the entire 50 marks in your kitty. Is it possible? 200% possible. Prioritize in this area. I have just shared only the priority area, not the expected area. Maybe if the luck favors your hard work and preparation, you may be blessed the question in the same order. Right, my dear? Wishing you all success. I am sure this few minutes what I spent in consolidating and analyzing and giving you an input will make a big difference in your success. Wishing you all success, my dear. Courageous, happy, beautiful, mind fullness oda jolly peaceful போய் write your examinations, right? I'll come out with overall questions alone as I promised at the earliest point of time. Probably in another 2-3 days you will get a video for this overall questions. Thank you so much, my dear. Have a great day. Bye bye.